Hi everybody, every WENS Center members in the whole world. You are welcome to join us today. Especially we will introduce you something related to the North America's legal service opportunity. This is a very good business opportunity that we invite Mr. Scott Chan as the speaker today to share whatever he enjoy in this business. So from now on, let's turn to him and let him to introduce to you. Thank you. Go ahead.
This legal service company has been around this year for 35 years now. It's a publicly traded company since 1976. And really it's founded by accident. The founder of this company was involved in a heavy accident, which wasn't his fault, but got sued and when he was in the hospital. Now, can that happen to anyone? Yes, it could, even though it's not your fault. According to the statistic in the year 2002, there was 36 million hospitalizations, and most of them do have some type of medical insurance. But at the same year, there's about 93 million court filing. That means you are more than likely, 3 to 4 times more than likely to be sued than you are to be hospitalized. But most of us don't have legal access or legal coverage. Now, have you ever been overcharged for a repair, try to return a defective product, receive a traffic ticket, lost a security deposit, been audited, sign a contract, purchase a home, or prepare a will? If you have, those are legal situations, and we never thought about it. Because when we thought of legal situation, we first reach into our pocket and think if we can afford to be justified in that situation before we reach for justice. Now, this membership provides the following services at no additional cost. For a family member, you and your spouse and your children under age 21 are all covered for a monthly fee of $35.95 to enjoy all the following services. First one is that you get unlimited telephone consultation, a 1-800 number that you can call your attorney anytime from Monday through Friday. You can call them once a month, once a week, or once a day, it doesn't matter. It's unlimited access to attorneys to ask any type of subject of legal matters. Number two is that in case you get to any situation that you need an attorney to write a letter or make a phone call on your behalf to resolve that issue, we'll do that also on an unlimited base. Every case, no matter how many cases happen a month, we'll write a letter for you or make a phone call for you to resolve. Any contract or document that you're about to sign, make sure that you fax it over to our attorney. Let them review it first before you sign any type of contract. I guarantee that a contract that you sign, any contract that you sign is being reviewed by a lawyer. It's just not your attorney, just not your lawyer. Now, it will be wise, any contract that you either purchasing a home, even a cell phone, fax it over first and let us review it for you, see if there's any hidden fee or hidden condition that you are not aware of. And we all know the importance of preparing a will in the United States. If you don't have a will, and let's say you have children that's minor, if something catastrophic happened to you, they would be sent to foster care immediately, and they may stay there for 9 months to a year. Now, without a will, many of them, they stay in the foster care without the care of the family members. Many of them, after going to foster care, they are going to come out with emotional turmoils. And if they are in their teenager years, they go to foster care, come out, as much as 60% will get into drug. Because when they are in the foster care, they don't have much of a role model. Their role models are the kids that's older than they are. And many of them, they come from backgrounds that their parents are in drug or in some type of crime involvement. So prepare a will just for your kids. Let them know that there's someone you know if in case something catastrophic happened to you, who's going to take care of them. And also, if you don't have a will, 49% of your asset will be freezed. The reason why the government want to make sure that you pay your taxes, they want to make sure that the fees are all paid, all due, including if you have property, there will be real estate broker fee, commissioner fee. And after all that, whatever is left over will be left to your family, but you don't even know who the money is going to go to. And if you have a life insurance, you also want to make sure you prepare well, because many of the life insurance fee is unpaid because they don't know who to pay it to. They don't know who is the legal guardian for your children. So definitely use this service to prepare well. Number two is that if you have ever get into traffic violation, if you get a ticket that you think it's not fair, fax it over to our attorney. If they think it's not fair too, they'll go to court for you or with you to represent you. And in case of a criminal charge, let's say that you kill someone, God forbid, during an accident, they will represent you, whether win or lose. You don't have to pay any legal fee. As long as there's no drug or alcohol involved, you are properly licensed, and you have a driver license, and it's not a hit and run. We will cover all your legal expenses, no extra cost. And also trial defenses. Now, who is suing who in the U.S.? Everybody is suing everybody. That's why we have 93 million court filings just in the year 2002. As a member, you are covered the first year. You have 75-hour litigation. Now, the first 17.5 hours you use for pre-trial time, and that means our attorney would talk with the other party that's trying to sue you, or talk to the other attorney that's trying to sue you, and settle that case. And if the case needs to go to the court, you still have 57.5 hours to go to the court. And we will represent you during those hours with no additional cost to you. And every year we add 65 hours. Until the 5th year, you have 335 hours of court representation, litigation coverage, just in case you got sued. Now, we also have IRS audit legal services. You get, if ever your personal tax is being audited, we will cover you. We will go to the IRS for you or with you for 50 hours. That you don't have to face the IRS alone by yourself. Now, anything that's not covered over here, the plan almost about protecting yourself and your family. Most of them there is no extra cost, but if you want to sue someone, we will still help you, but we give you 25% discount on those issues. And the last one is that the legal. Now, we know there are most of the police are doing a good job. Some of them do profile. They do profiling. And the member would receive a card, and the card basically says, my legal right is being protected. If it is your intention to arrest me, question me, detain me, please let me call my attorney now. If you're ever being pulled over, you don't have the right to call your family members, but you do have the right to remain silent and call an attorney right away. Now, we give you a 1-800 number that you can call an attorney right away 24 hours, 7 days a week. Even during the holidays, you can call their attorney midnight, 3 o'clock in the morning, or any time. It's 24 hours. That gives you extra protection to stop unfair ticket and also to stop profiling, to prevent profiling.
Okay, thank you so much.